Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 21 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button. Oh, no free points. Hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem. It is a Thursday. Hopefully everyone's doing alright. I am sweating. It's very hot here in New York. Probably not as hot as I hear from in Europe. I have my air conditioner on, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm also very tired right now, so we'll see how that goes. We have a linked list farm. It seems like I see the image, but I played a lot of softball and also got stuck on a train for like an hour and a half because this is New York and the L train sometimes is sad. I did eat at Taco Bell in case you're wondering, not sponsored. I ate it in case you're curious because nothing else was open in the area. But alright, let's think about this. Reverse linked list 2. Given the head of a linked list, a singly linked list left and right, reverse the linked the nodes from left to right. Okay. Yeah, doing one pass is silly. I mean, I really don't like these kind of linked list problems just because they're always like some weird thing that you don't really use with like, it's one pass, but you use 4 pointers in the same time or something, like, does that really count as one pass? Technically, but then your memory access are not like optimal anyway, so I don't know. Okay, so let's see, left and right. So the two pass is just doing the regular reversal after getting the length n, right? I think you can do something like to get the left and right. How do you get the left and right? So getting the left and right is easy because you just start the left. Let's say we have, and this is just me thinking it through. I don't know the answer or whatever because who knows these things. But yeah. But basically, the left and the right, you just start the left pointer, x the delta amount. So that part I think we get. And then the question is, how do you get it from the end? I always forget about, how do you get it like x to the n? If you have n, then you could have whatever, right? But if you don't have n, then how does it work? Man, I'm sweating in here. It's actually a struggle for me. Okay, so let's say okay, so the left and right makes sense. Head, right? So let's see. I forget about this part. Oh wait, no, I'm just being dumb. Am I? I think I'm trying to be. Sorry, friends, my head is clearly wrong. Because you only need left and the right because they're from the beginning, not from the end. What am I thinking of? You just go right number of times, right? So I know that there's a one pass solution, but let's just write the two pass for now to get the left and the right and then do it. I think it's actually like very trivial to do it and to convert that two pass into one pass. Maybe not trivial, but doable. So let's do that. Yeah. Actually, we could just do it in one pass, maybe. Okay, we'll see. So yeah, let's just say current is equal to head, right? And the head is the first one, maybe. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. So then now, while current is not none, current is 0, current dot next set. And then we do some magic here. Maybe we have a counter, so I just got counter because I'm lazy. It's at 1 because that's what this one is. So then here we go. Man, I am really silly sometimes. Okay, so if counter is equal to left, then then left pointer is equal to current. If counter is equal to right, right pointer is equal to current, right? Kind of. I mean, yeah, I know for a fact that we have to set this up. So yeah, so let's just leave that here for now. Then we have to do some more minor things. To do it in one pass, the idea here is that, okay, on the left +1 counter, so we don't do anything with the left pointer yet in the beginning because we set it to right pointers next. So we can do that later. And then the counter plus 1, which is in this case the 3 I'm looking at this diagram. And the counter plus 1, what do we do? Well, that's the like usual reverse linked list type thing, right? So then, yeah. So if counter is greater than left, right? At least for now, we'll add a conditional to the right side. Okay, so if it's greater than left, what do we do? That means that okay, so you have to keep track of the previous pointer as well. I think that's something that I've been sloppy about. Yeah, something like that. And then now, then the we want to say the current pointer, right? Current pointer dot next is equal to previous, something like that. So you point at the previous. But of course, you can't do it quite like this because you have to increment it later, right? So then here we go. How do we want to say it? Let's just say, yeah. I mean, yeah, okay. I just say change me. I don't know. Naming is hard. As you go to current, right? We do this in. This is kind of weird, actually. Then, so we want to move on. Maybe we just do it this way. Maybe this is easier to think about instead of trying to pre-optimize the logical statements. Yeah. So and then here, change me that next is equal to previous, and then yeah, and then previous is equal to. Oh, wait, I have to change. This is so like. Yeah, okay, fine. New previous is equal to current, and then previous is equal to new previous, or something like this, right? Okay. So then now basically, if this is right, and I should be right, maybe it should be, but it might not be. In this case, everything should go backwards. Well, and this is looking at right, yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think this is right, but now we have to do a previous left pointer so that it points to the 4, if you will. So yeah, previous left is equal to none. Previous left is equal to previous, or something like this, and then yeah, and then now at the very end, if previous left is not none, then previous left dot next is equal to the right pointer, right? And then in general, the left pointer, instead of looking at the next one, that next will be equal to right. It should be like something like this, but that's not quite true, only because we updated right pointer here. Okay, so then next byte is equal to none. This is such a mess. Yeah, next byte is equal to right pointer dot next, and then yeah. Right? Do I have to return anything? We have to return the head. Oh, I guess it may not be head, right? Because if you reverse it, then you may not return this head. So actually, we need to do like a fake head. This is such a mess. I don't even know if it's right. So we'll play around with this, but yeah. So then now this is new head, and then now we start to count at 0 instead. Okay. And then now we return new head dot next. Not gonna lie, I have no confidence at this at all. So we'll see where it goes wrong and then see how we debugging. Okay, right pointer, didn't we call that? Do we, oh, huh. We don't say left pointer either, but why is that? Shouldn't that always be true? Is that for the first one or for the second one? Dun dun dun. Oh, I forgot to increment this one inside the loop, that's why. Okay, that part I think we can put out safely, so let's do it that way. Yeah. Okay, that actually somehow worked right the first time. Let's try to, well, this one is a very basic one, so let's do 1 5 1 2 and 2 5 5 5 4 5 maybe. All right, if this is right, then I'm kind of confident. I don't think I have any like weirdness with odd evens or anything like that. So all right, let's give it about 0 nodes. Okay, and it has to be 1 node. The node value doesn't matter, so yeah. All right, let's give it a quick spin. This is very easy to get wrong. I'm very happy that I get it right. I'm very low confidence about this in general, because this is frankly quite a mess. But you know what? An AC is an AC, and I'm not talking about air conditioner. Though that is helping a lot right now. I'm still sweating. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Oh yeah, what is? I mean, we did in one pass, as you can see. It's just a lot of that's all it is with linked list problems usually. It's just like a lot of keeping track about which pointer should be where at any given time. And if you do get it on an interview, definitely feel free to slow down and talk through your, I mean, you should be talking through your thought process anyway, but don't rush it. Make sure you get it right. And then, you know, hopefully you have what I did this time. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this one. So yeah, linear time, 1 pass, constant space. We just have like 10 pointers or something like this. A lot of pointers, but not linear number of them. So yeah. Cool. That's pretty much all I have. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.